Hey, Motorman here, and today we're going to do something completely different. If you've never been to the Ride Like a Pro channel before, I'm a motor officer instructor, now retired. I teach the police motor officers techniques to you, the average rider, but we also, on this channel, we do lots of reviews on motorcycles and also different products that I think might be of interest to you. But today, we got something totally different for you. I don't think I've ever done this in over 1,200 videos, so let me show you what we've got. Today, I'm going to do a performance comparison and on the road roll-ons from second gear, first gear, fourth, fifth, whatever it takes. And I'm going to be using the 117 ST versus the 114 with the stage 2 kit versus a stock, completely stock 114. So I'm going to show you the differences and maybe answer the question, is a stage 2 really worth it or a stage 3? Do you get that much more performance for your dollar? So come on, stick with it to the end. And I'm even going to compare one of these bikes to 107, a stock 107 versus 114. So stick with this to the end, and if you enjoy this, please hit the subscribe, the like, give me a thumbs up, and click that notification bell. Third gear, go a little faster. That was a third gear roll on. We're going to try a second gear. It was pretty much even. Second gear, right? Stay alongside me. Second gear, pretty even. However, as the faster we went, as the higher the RPMs rose, this bike started pulling away a little bit. Just stay alongside me. First gear, the third beep, we accelerate. Let the clutch out all the way. So it's pretty even. It's not a world of difference between the two. As the revs start to climb, this starts to pull away. Or if they're not started off at the exact same moment, this bike will still catch up to it when you get above, I guess, about 4,500 RPMs. All right, now I'm on the Revival. It's got the 114. It's completely stock. Second gear, right? starts to pull away. I think he was a little late on the start though, so we'll try it again. That was really close. Now this bike doesn't have any downloads, or it's got the stock mufflers. The police bike has Tab performance mufflers with medium baffles. It's got the Stage 2 cam, Screaming Eagle air filter, and of course the Stage 2 download, Harley Davidson download. As far as weight goes, of course that bike's got the Tour Pack on the back. However, maybe that's 25 pounds. Joe is at least 25 pounds lighter than me, so I'd say weight is really within a couple of pounds. I'd say no more than 5 pounds difference in the two bikes. Let's do second gear. Let's do second gear again. So boy, there's not much difference at all. It seems like as the RPMs rise that the Stage 2 will pull away from this bike. But not by a mile. I would have thought that low-end torque, being that's a torque cam, it would have pulled away as soon as he opened the throttle. Let's go straight down this road, Joe, and we'll do like some third or fourth gear roll-ons. Third or fourth gear roll-ons down here. That was a fourth gear roll on, but it's tough to get them to, both bikes to start off at exactly the same moment. So what we've discovered in this very scientific examination is that there's not a whole bunch of difference between a 114 Stage 2 and a 114 stock, or a 117 versus the 114 stage 2. It's not like it's night and day differences in performance. The feel of the ST is different. It seems to me, or feels to me, like it gets its power up at the higher rev. I think 4,000 RPM maybe and up. We'll try a 5th gear roll on from 55. So the stage 2 starts to pull away as the revs get a little bit higher, which is strange since it's supposed to be from 2,500 to 3,500 RPM where you should notice the most difference. Do 2nd gear. That was a roll on from 2nd gear compared to the 107. The only difference of these is that bike has its stock except for Tab performance mufflers with zombie baffles. Probably got a weight difference of about, say 70 pounds between the Rider and the lighter Road King. Follow me.